Hey guys, today in this video I will show you a problem of TikTok which shows sorry this kind of video can't be used. Okay, at first I will show you the problem. So as you can see this sound isn't available. So this type of problem may occur in some audio. So to fix this, at first we need to come profile, this profile button, and then this three line, then setting and privacy, then account, then this switch to personal. You need to switch your account to personal to use this type of audio. So we will see switch our account to personal. As you can see, switch to personal. And now let's use. As you can see, now we can use the audio. As you can see, it's ready to use and ready to upload.